Gladiators. They meet military standards, withstand great forces, display a low profile for combat readiness, and adjust to engage and disengage forces when needed. Now, these aren't your typical Roman Colosseum gladiators we're talking about, but the low-profile, self-aligning connectors designed for today's combat soldier, built for rugged environments up to 95% humidity. Fast, unguided connection is provided with magnetic mating, along with an added fluorosilicone gasket seal to align the pogo pins to the receptacle target contacts. Power and ground pogo pins ensure uninterrupted continuous current, and added spring pins provide additional reliable contact during any shock or vibration encounter. The Gladiator connector is tested to meet shock and vibration requirements in MIL Standard 883. The Gladiator low-profile self-aligning connectors also include options for flat and round cabled or self-termination, and come with USB 2.0 data up to 90 ohm impedance.